Okay, it's time for my favorite subject, science. I know what you're thinking. Mrs. Radig, you say every subject is your favorite subject, and that is true, but science is my absolute favorite subject. Okay, so everybody get ready, get your notes, get your thinking hats on, and Jessie, can you please read this slide for us? Yeah, great. Yeah. So that's our big idea. What questions can we ask? How can we investigate and predict reasonable outcomes? So we're going to be thinking about this through this whole unit and learning how to ask questions like a real scientist. Great job. Thank you for reading that for me. Okay, so we're not going to forget to take notes. So show of hands. Everybody give me a thumbs up. Everybody give me a thumbs up on your app as soon as you're ready to take notes. Looks like we just about have everybody, and 2 more, and okay, good job. You're all ready to take notes. So don't forget, on your whiteboard or your paper, you can write words or you can draw pictures. Either one is totally fine, as long as you take a picture of it and submit it to the Dropbox at the end of the day, okay? So, now I need Josiah. Please read us our standard that we're going to be working off today, our Wisconsin State Standard for science. Great job. Great, thank you. So that variable, that's a key word that we need to pay attention to. And we're going to be talking about that during our sense-making activity next. And there's the word questions again, asking questions. That's going to be really big. That's like the #1 thing that scientists have to do, right? So we're going to have a little fishbowl activity here. So I'm going to randomly select half of you. Give me a couple seconds here, and you're going to be our fishbowl panel. And here we go. All right. So those of you that have been selected as moderator, I want you to share in chat what we already know about plants. What makes plants healthy and happy? Now go ahead and think about it for a minute and then start putting it in chat. The rest of you, take notes, okay? Draw your pictures, write your words, whatever, about what our fishbowl panel is saying, okay? Oh, yep, I'm seeing soil or dirt, yeah. Worms, that's true. If they're planted outside in the ground, definitely worms makes plants happy. Yeah, sunlight, water. Yeah, great job. Great answers. We know a lot about what makes plants healthy and happy. Awesome. So now we're going to switch groups. Good job, fishbowl panel. Other group, you're going to be our fishbowl panel now. And let's think about what we want to know. What do seeds need from us to grow into plants? So take a moment to think about that. And then go ahead and you start writing in a chat some of your ideas. What do seeds need from us to grow into plants? The rest of you be taking your notes on whatever our fishbowl says. Oh yeah, Amy, great. Light. So notice Amy said light and not sun. So be thinking about that. We can give them sun or light. Yep, water again. Soil or dirt. Yeah, great answers. They need to be warm. These are all awesome ideas. Everybody make sure you should have this fishbowl panel notes about what we want to know about seeds and what we know about plants. Those should all be on your notes. Okay? What else do we got? Yeah, you can sing to them too. That's just totally fine. Great. So it sounds like seeds need from us the same things that plants need. Good job. All right. So, well, I went one too far. So when you submit your notes here, I want 2 different lists. I want your fishbowl panel 1 notes of what the plants need from us, and then your fishbowl 2 of what seeds need from us, okay? And don't forget to submit those into the Dropbox by the end of the day. Great job. Let's get ready for our sense-making activity.